Sigaw kayo. Kaya!
Kaya! Kaya mukat. Kaya mukat.
Okay na, ready?
Ready.
At dahil sa lakas ng sigaw natin, mayuyog ito, lumang hotel na ito. At babaksak. Okay, translation for our Taiwanese friends. Taiwan is okay. Next translation. Levity Hotel is very okay. Okay. Kwento ko para sa Muslim muna. Muslim. I am Honorary Sultan of Lanao del Sur. That is a title given to me by my very good friend, Governor Ali Dimaporo. Very great warrior, guerrilla. Sundalo yan, First Lieutenant. I helped him gather all the loose firearms from the warlords in Lanao del Sur in 83, 84. And so he called me, he said, I will give you a big parade. General, you come. And sure enough, when I appeared, there was a grand parade, and he said in his speech, General, yes, Brother Ali,